shortly to pull up into his first nose over. Ladies and gentlemen, the Royal Air Force Chinook Display Team 2019. Give them a big wave. Back downwards, they make their 90-degree breakaway to our left. This year, the Chinook display captain is squadron leader John Turner, known as JT. JT joined the Royal Air Force in 1993 and was first posted to RAF in Flight Chinook in 1998. His Boeing operations in Bosnia, Sierra Leone, Iraq and Afghanistan, and most recently in the Caribbean in 2017 undertaking hurricane relief support, before pitching over into the roller coaster. Crowd centre before climbing again, while some days battling this 15-ton beast being buffeted by the wind. Joining JT in the cockpit today is 2019 display co-pilot Flight Lieutenant Aaron Terry. Aaron joined the Royal Air Force in 2008 and was subsequently completed his rotary flying training. Joining the Chinook Force in 2015, he has seen operations in the Middle East and more recently returned from Operation Legion in support of our French allies in Mali this past April. Get ready to play shortly. Almost 60 degrees. We also carry vehicles, freight and palletised cargo both inside and outside of the aircraft. Captain's best overall is in a medical emergency response, a role which supports the field under fire during Operation Eric in Afghanistan. Down to our left leg in short contact after crew, now positioning to their crowd centre, nose over. Time to get your cameras ready. If you want to capture 35 degrees, nose up. The display you see today really demonstrates how manoeuvrable this extremely large helicopter is. Most of the display is all out of tactical skills deployed and perfected on operations around the world. During all of these manoeuvres, the co-pilot's job is to starts to really hear the sound of the aircraft. Looking out the front to the top side view, you'll get a great angle of this awesome machine and its unique contra-rotating blade design. Next, as you see the aircraft run left, the nose will pitch up as JT decelerates the aircraft, looking to enter its nose down for its stop. Maneuver allows us to stop the aircraft in a tight area and increase the spot space on the back. One of those JT rotates the aircraft at the RAF low, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's everybody's favourite time. Give those orange hands a big wave. It's JT! The carry today was Sergeant James Beck, known as Becky. Becky joined the Royal Air Force in 2009 as a weapons systems operator. Leading the two weapons training to join Navy. Boeing operations in both Afghanistan and more recently Mali. And around 1,100 hours. In a big way, you can see here. We're now going to complete another wing over out to the left with the co-pilot working hard to get JT back onto the correct line to land on the runway whilst configuring the aircraft to do so. You get your cameras ready again, as this is a really cool part of the display, as it looks to touch down on just 2 of the Chinook 6 wheels. Supporting the display aircraft this year are exceptional engineers fresh back from operations in Mali, led by Chief Technician Lee Edgerton. He joined the Royal Air Force in 1990 and has worked on Phantoms, Tornadoes and Pumas, although he's been involved in the Chinook Corps since 1997. We simply wouldn't have a display without him and his hard-working engineers.